Is it possible to make money with Higgsfield? Don't worry, I'm not going to sell you a course. This is not that kind of a video. I'm going to break down 3 realistic ways to make money with it. Not hype, not overnight income, but actual paths, one of which a complete beginner can start today. Way number 1 is Higgsfield Earn. Now, this is real, but it's not what some people think it is. This is the most talked about way to make money on Higgsfield, and here's how it works. You apply to the Higgsfield Earn program. It's free to join, 90% approval rate. You connect your Instagram or YouTube account, you get assigned paid campaigns, and then you create the video using Higgsfield, post it, and earn based on performance. The payout structure is 3-tier system. Earn when your video is approved, then at a 24-hour view milestone, and then at 7 days, and there's $1,000 cap on day 1 earnings, and $2,500 maximum lifetime payout per video. The program has distributed over $1 million to more than 10,000 creators. The money is real. It's gone to real people, but here's the honest version. The Earn program is primarily Instagram focused. If you don't have an account with some engagement or aren't willing to build one, it's harder. It rewards performance. No views means no milestone bonuses, and this is not a passive income. It requires consistent posting and an audience that responds. One viral video can bring in meaningful money, but one video with no traction at all brings in very little. Now, the people making the most from Earn treat it like a content job. If you already create content or you're willing to start, this is worth exploring. If you want money without building an audience, well, it's going to be a wrong starting point. The downside for all the ways we're going to talk about today is that you have to get a paid tier on Higgsfield. Got to pay for it. Plans start at $15 a month for the starter tier, the plus plan at $49 a month if you're going to take the monthly version, of course. And there is also a free tier, but it gives you around 10 credits a day, which is just enough to test it. And the way your credits get burned while you learn how to use it, that's a story of its own. One honest caveat here before anything else, Higgsfield has restructured its pricing multiple times. Trustpilot shows 20% 1-star reviews alongside 63% 5-star ratings. There have been some billing complaints and a mass account ban during the 2025 holiday period. It is a real platform, it pays, but go in with your eyes open. Now, way number 2 is the Ambassador program, or just affiliate program. They closed this one for a while, but I've heard that they're gonna open it up again. And this one is more predictable and more beginner-friendly if you have any online presence at all. This program paid up to 50% commission on every purchase made through your referral link, and that commission continues for up to 12 months per referred user. They are going to bring it back sometimes at the end of this year, and some real numbers is like if you refer someone to the $49 a month plus plan who stays like, I don't know, maybe 9 months, you can earn about $66. If you refer 10 people like that, it's going to be $660 over those months. Refer more to higher tiers who stick around, well, it compounds. The good news about this one is that you don't need a massive audience, you need a targeted one. For example, if you have a YouTube channel about AI tools or a newsletter for creators, TikTok showing AI video tutorials, even a focused Reddit presence where you help people asking about AI video tools, one piece of content showing real results with Higgsfield can generate referrals for months, and you can combine this with the Earn program. Now, the key here is showing the tool working, not talking about it, just showing it. 60-second video of what you built with your referral link in the description. It's your whole funnel. All right, way number 3, maybe this is my favorite one. It's freelance and client work. It is hard, but it really works. A lot of people are doing it very successfully through Fiverr, Upwork, or they just have their own channels. I honestly think that this is the most underrated way on this list and the one beginners can actually start with right now. 80% of Higgsfield users are social media marketers creating brand content, and that's not a coincidence. That's a market signal. Brands, agencies, and small businesses need short video content constantly. Instagram Reels, TikTok ads, product videos, social content packages. Most of them either can't afford an agency or don't have the time to produce it themselves. And you can use Higgsfield to produce that content and sell it as a service. Let me tell you about the angle most people sleep on. It's personal videos, custom content for everyday people, birthday videos, anniversary surprises, or some retirement messages, baby announcement clips, memorial videos. These are things people genuinely want and are willing to pay for. And here's what makes this perfect for beginners. They don't care about perfection. There's emotions involved. Someone wants a fun birthday video for their dad or mom. They're not comparing it to Hollywood production. They just want something funny, something creative, something personal, and they want it done quickly. You can charge $15 to $50 for a simple personal video like this, and your cost, well, few Higgsfield credits and 20 minutes of your time. So where do you find these clients? Well, Facebook groups, Fiverr, local community groups, moms groups, event planning groups. But honestly, on Fiverr, where people search for personalized video content every day. You can, of course, use Instagram as well, where a few example posts showing what you can create is your entire portfolio. You don't need to pitch anyone. You just show the work. The right people will ask. For brand and marketing content, the numbers are bigger, of course. Producing 50 social clips per month for a brand on Higgsfield costs you around $49 a month in subscription fees. The same volume through freelance videographer or agency would cost the brand like $10,000, even more, and that gap is your opportunity. You're not replacing a full production house. You're offering something fast, affordable, and good enough for 90% of social content that just needs to exist and perform. As I've told you, Higgsfield has restructured its plans multiple times. The starter one is going to be $15 a month. That's like 33 videos, Kling 3.0 videos per month. And then there's a plus plan, which is of course $49 a month. One thing, really important, if you take the starter plan, it'll block you the access to some of the better models like VO3. If you want full model access, you need Plus or above. Now, Higgsfield uses a credit system where different models cost different amounts. Track your credits carefully. Generating at 4K or using premium models burns through credits faster than most people expect. I do suggest you watch some creators who are focused on how to use Higgsfield properly before doing anything yourself. Just watch some of them. There are some really good tricks you can learn along the way to save yourself some credits. Preparation is key here. Now, let me be straight. The Earn program has paid over $1 million to 10,000 creators. If you average that out, it's $100 per creator. Some are making much more, but many are making very little. Earn rewards virality, and that's not guaranteed. Client work, especially personal videos, is the fastest path to your first dollar. No audience required, just a few example videos and the willingness to put yourself out there. Now, none of these make you rich quickly. All of them can generate some real extra income with consistent effort over time. So yeah, 3 ways, 1 powerful tool, real earning potential, just not overnight. Forget about that. Start with what you can do right now and build from there. It's fun as well.